Welcome to Dorman Products steering wheel cover trim installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered medium difficulty. Some extra equipment is required by our technicians and should take approximately 30 minutes. Begin the install by disconnecting the supplemental inflatable restraint, or SIR, by simply disconnecting the negative battery cable. Tech note: be sure to disconnect the battery before you begin this installation. The airbag may deploy if charged during this installation. Next, on the back side of the steering wheel, locate the two access holes which have spring releases that need to be engaged to allow for the horn pad to be removed. Remove the connector retainer and disconnect the electrical connectors. Next, remove the horn switch by unscrewing the 4 screws. Disconnect any wires attached to the horn switch. The wheel cover trim is fastened by multiple screws which need to be removed. Now your steering wheel trim piece can be safely removed. Remove the steering wheel control switch by disconnecting its wire and removing the screws. Once removal is complete, follow the steps in reverse order for installation.